Hello engineers and customers. This video mainly introduces the potentiometer control of the A6 AC Servo Motor. First, complete the driver configuration. Set the driver to speed mode, define the speed command source, and select the AI1 analog channel. Meanwhile, set the function of the DI6 port to velocity reference direction control. Proceed to the wiring operation next. The wiring method of the potentiometer has been introduced in previous videos. Connect the corresponding wires to driver ports 15, 20, and 19 correctly. The enable switch should be connected between port 14 and port 33, and the direction switch should be connected between port 14 and port 32. In addition, short circuit port 11 and port 17. Please refer to the wiring diagram on the screen for the complete wiring scheme. The system adopts internal 5V power supply by default, and the default speed regulation range of the potentiometer is 0 to 1,500 revolutions per minute. The maximum speed of the potentiometer can be adjusted by modifying parameter C4 to 4B. Since 5V is half of the standard 10V analog voltage, the maximum adjustable speed of the potentiometer will reach 3,000 revolutions per minute when parameter C4B is set to 6,000. Torque mode also supports analog control. Switch the driver to torque mode, define the speed command source, and select the AI1 analog channel to realize the analog torque control function.